Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely Christmas card using some items from the Tidings and Trimmings suite. You can find this suite on page 88 of the annual catalog. First, let's take a closer look at this beautiful designer series paper. It's in a 6x6 inch pack with 48 sheets, and I just love the color palette. Cherry Cobbler, Evening Evergreen, Soft Succulent, Misty Moonlight, and Sahara Sand. The Creativity to Go for November features this bundle. For $70, you'll receive this bundle, plus the prepared supplies and tutorials to make 5 cards. You can even choose to buy extra sets of supplies and make multiples of each card. Be sure to sign up on my website by November 10th to take part in this class. We will set the date for the Zoom class after the 10th so that every participant can vote on the date. You can subscribe from anywhere in Canada, so this is a great option for those of you who aren't ready to attend in-person crafting classes or who don't live local to Nanaimo. Here's the link to register for this month's Creativity to Go, and I'll be sure to add the link in the video description as well. The measurements for this card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a piece of cardstock that measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and 3 pieces of designer series paper, each cut to 3.5 inches by 1 5/8 inches. I'll also be using some extra pieces of Cherry Cobbler, Soft Succulent, and Gold Shimmer Vellum for die cutting. In addition to the Christmas trimmings dies, I'm going to use one of the dies from the Tailor Made Tags. Before I cut out the detailed star die, I'm going to put some adhesive sheet on my Gold Shimmer Vellum. This will make it easier to attach. I just have one stamp to add to this card at the top of the tag. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that this bundle is the featured product in November's Creativity to Go. Be sure to visit my website and register by November 10th to get this bundle and the prepared supplies and tutorials to make 5 cards. You can also purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the sign up for my monthly email newsletter, and the ability to register for online and in-person events. All of this you can find on my website. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your very own online or in-person party. Drop me a line for more details. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!